PLRZ Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Polyrizon stock, it's a decent, just beneath $1 mark. It's 60% up, and all that to say, I need to zoom out to see exactly where we are. Now, because I've had experience for this with 40,000 videos like that, it's taken me 5 years and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. You know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I wouldn't say there's anything special with this movement exactly. I know it was 60% up, but pumps and dumps like this, man, I've seen tens of thousands of times, and I'm not even exaggerating. I know people like to over-exaggerate, but I've done 40,000 videos. So in this particular instance, I mean, sell side will make sense. And trust me, for me, like if there's a double break here, that checks out. But like randomly selling, it's not something that I'll be doing. So I'm keeping still an eye on that. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.